How to sign out of Google account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can sign out of Google account on your iPhone. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First of all, you'll need to head over to your Chrome. So simply head over to your Google Chrome. After you're there, on the top right, you will see an icon. Tap on the icon and now you're on your settings. Now if you scroll down on your settings, you will not find the sign out option. What you need to do is you need to tap on your Gmail. Now you will see it on the top. Tap on it, and after you tap on it, you'll need to scroll down all the way. After you scroll down all the way, you will see the sign out option. Simply tap on sign out and you're basically done. You have signed out of your Google account on your iPhone. Thanks for watching guys. That is how you do it, and that is all for the video too. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye, take care.